How's it going, everyone? In today's video, let's talk about the best setting for your AOC C32 monitor. So obviously the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the advanced display setting, and you want to use the highest number possible for your refresh rate. Basically, the higher the better. And from there, let's head over to our OSD controls, which is the on-screen setting. So you can find this inside the buttons under your monitor's controller. Now just go ahead and press on those buttons and this window will show up, on which we can apply the following setting. Now for refresh rate, you want to use 240. This is going to be available only if you use DisplayPort. For the adaptive sync, you want to set this to on. The game mode is going to be on FPS or standard. For overdrive, you want to set this to medium. Basically, it has the best balance and less ghosting. For the low input lag, set this to on, shadow control at 50 or 60, and the game color at 10 to 12. And for the overall display setting, you want to use 65 or 70. You can lower this down if you're using it on nighttime. The contrast is going to be 45 and 50, gamma at 3. Color temperature is going to be set as user red 47, green 50, and blue 52. So basically from there, you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.